Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And in today's video, I will show you how you can easily check who is using your Instagram account apart from you. So you can easily check if someone else has access to your Instagram account or if someone else is logged into your Instagram account using the steps that I'm going to show you right now. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so here I am logged into my Instagram. Now to know if someone else has access to your Instagram account, what you need to do is simply tap your profile icon at the bottom right and now tap the three lines at the top right. From here you have to go to the settings section and then you have to go to security section where you will see one option that is login activity. So this will tell you about all your login activities, all right, from where you are logged into your Instagram and from which device. All right, so here you will see a list of devices as well as the location from where you are logged into your Instagram. So if you find any suspicious device or any unknown location from where you are logged into your Instagram account, you can easily understand who is using your Instagram account. And it is also better to know if your Instagram account has got hacked or not. So if you are seeing any unknown location or any unrecognized device, the first thing you need to do is simply tap the three dots and you can simply log out of that device. All right, so that's you need to do to prevent your account from getting hacked, and that's all you need to do to check who is using your Instagram account. That was all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any issues or queries, you can ask me in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestions for my next video, you can let me know in the comment section down below, and you can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. Thank you for watching.